The growing demand for electronics, machinery, automotive industry, electric transport, aerospace, and sustainable energy technologies is responsible for an increasing use of raw materials. The extraction and production of these resources cause environmental problems and other sustainability issues, while at the same time we observe a growing waste stream for those same products. Circular strategies have proven their potential to make the shift to a more climate-friendly value chain for the manufacturing industry, and best practices can be found all around the world. Circular design is key in changing the manufacturing value chain, and this is why some companies choose conflict-free and fair trade materials or create long-lasting products that can easily be repaired and upgraded. New business models emerge and propose services such as bicycle subscriptions, pay-per-use elevators, or even lease of office furniture. Remanufacturing is also an option, and it is becoming attractive for complex products such as gearboxes, ICT, vehicles, and electronic components. This also offers financial benefits for clients, thanks to robotization and process optimization. Other creative ideas emerge, such as involving schools to collect as e-waste, or financing recycling with a premium on new products, or combining innovative recycling technologies in one factory. All these separate initiatives can, together, make a global impact. But what are the conditions for change? The conditions for opportunities to upscale, and for new collaborations to emerge.